Elevate your outdoor space, inspiring backyard and landscaping design ideas for stunning design decoration. Greetings, gardening Athens. Today we are delving into the world of backyard and landscape design, exploring ideas that will elevate your outdoor space and turn into a garden masterpiece. Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. From thoughtful decoration to strategic landscaping, let's discover how to create visually stunning and inviting garden guests. Zone with a functional landscape. Begin by defining different zones within backyard thought. Strategic landscaping use shrubs, hedges or ornamental grass. Create natural borders separating the area for dining. Long out garden. This not only adds a structure but also enhance the function of decor outdoor space, making it a multi-purpose haven. Elevate your garden aesthetics with artificial decoration. Consider sculpture, unique planters or strategic placed throughout. These additions not only showcase your personal style but also serve as focal points, adding character and charm of your backyard occasion. So if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Harness the power of vertical garden. Maximize your garden potential by incorporating vertical garden into your landscape design. Install trellised living walls or vertical planters to introduce greenery and different heights. This not only maximizes space but also adds a dynamic visual element, creating a lush and vibrant backdrop for your outdoor activities. Design inviting outdoor living space. Transform your backyard into an extension of your home by designing inviting outdoor living space, from cozy sitting area to dining nooks. Place furniture enhance the comfort and functionality of your garden. Use weather resistant materials and soft furniture to create a welcoming atmosphere, relaxation and protection. Utilize pathways and lighting for ambience and the charm of garden by incorporating well